Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty world with an honest, expert touch. Today, we're reviewing a product that's been a staple for many makeup lovers, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. If you're someone who's been searching for a bronzer that gives you that sun-kissed glow without the shimmer, this could be just what you need. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer promises a buildable, matte finish that's long-lasting, and it's cruelty-free, which is always a plus. It comes in the shade Milk Chocolate, designed for light to medium skin tones. This powder bronzer is infused with a delicious cocoa scent, which adds a bit of luxury to your makeup routine. I've had the chance to test this out for a few weeks now, and I've incorporated it into my daily makeup routine to get a real feel for how it works. The formula is incredibly smooth and blends out effortlessly, making it super easy to apply, whether you're using a brush or a sponge. It's buildable, so you can go for a light, natural look or layer it up for a more defined contour. The texture is finely milled, which allows it to glide on smoothly without feeling powdery or cakey. I tested it through my day-to-day activities, wearing it for hours in different conditions, including in the heat and humidity, and I was impressed by how well it stayed put. The matte finish didn't fade or get patchy, and it provided just the right amount of warmth without being too orange or too muddy. I love how natural it looks on the skin. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, this bronzer is definitely one of the easiest to blend, making it beginner-friendly. It's versatile enough to be used as both a bronzer and a contour, which makes it a multitasker in your makeup bag. The scent, while nice to some, may be a bit much for others, so that's something to consider if you're sensitive to fragrance. On the flip side, while I love the color payoff, I could see this being too light for those with medium to deeper skin tones. You might need to layer it more or look into the other deeper shades in the range to get a more intense bronzing effect. As for value, it's priced in the mid-range for a high-quality bronzer, and I'd say it's well worth it if you're looking for a product that's not only easy to use, but also delivers a lasting finish. There are other bronzers out there, of course, but few that offer the same smooth texture and natural-looking matte finish. It's definitely one to consider if you prefer a cruelty-free option. When it comes to the build quality, the packaging is solid and feels sturdy, with a convenient mirror inside. The longevity of the product is impressive, too. It lasted through a full day of wear and still looked fresh by the evening. If you're looking for a bronzer that's going to stay in place, is easy to build, and offers a beautiful matte finish, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil is a solid choice. However, if you have a deeper skin tone, you might want to look into other shades or brands that offer a more intense bronzing effect. If you're someone who enjoys a natural, buildable bronzer that will stand the test of time, I highly recommend giving this one a go. It definitely lives up to its promises in terms of texture, performance, and lasting power. If this review helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's chat. And as always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.